BIM BMS allows for creating repair requests, in case anything within a complex needs to be fixed. Creating these requests can be done in several ways. For example, this can be done by using the BIM BMS mobile web application. After logging into the application, the overview of requests can be viewed by pressing on the Requests button. This overview shows all pending requests and actions related to handling these requests. Adding a new request can be done by pressing on the Create New Request button. The app allows for adding an image and a description to the request as well. To confirm the request, the Send Request button needs to be pressed. The application works on Android as well as iOS. Another way to add requests is through the Request Overview page in the desktop version of the application. Here, a list of requests can be viewed by navigating to the Technical tab and then pressing on Requests. In order to create a new request, the Create New Request button needs to be pressed. When pressing the button, a new window opens. Here, all information related to the new request can be filled in. Lastly, the Save Request button needs to be pressed. Repair requests can be added through the 3D viewer as well. Firstly, the element that needs repairing has to be selected by pressing on the respective element. Then, the wrench icon button in the toolbar needs to be pressed. This button can be found at the top of the screen. Pressing the button will cause a pop-up window to appear. In this screen, a description can be added, and an image can be attached to the request. Pressing on the Create Request button will complete the process and add the request to the list. Alternatively, the Add Information button can be pressed, followed by the Create Request button in the drop-down menu. Tenants can also create new requests. When a tenant logs into the BIM BMS, an overview page is shown to them including information about their rented units and requests in the complex. Aside from creating a request by using the viewer, tenants can also achieve this by pressing on the New Request button on the Tenant Overview page. This button can be found at the bottom right of the screen. For more information on requests, reference the manual included with this demo.